no, milk? What?
There's a milk.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Who are your soldiers?
Echo soldiers.
Who are they?
It's done one on our done.
Which one's Uncle B?
It's right here, Abby. Get away, Abby. It's with the trumpets, Daddy. See? It's soldiers.
Those are soldiers?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
It's just one on our drive.
Really? Uh-oh, you're going to get Andy. Sing Andy a song. Good job. Let me see you dance. What?
Let me see.
In a minute, when you're all done. You can't see it yet. See, there's Andy. Okay, go dance. No, you can't watch you dance. It doesn't work that way. Go over there. I'll show you. Go over there.
That's you.
Okay, dance. Okay, dance. Ask him questions.
Eric, what's your last name?
Eric Rodriguez.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
What's your favorite color?
I want to know my favorite blue.
It's blue?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
I want it on sale.
Cereal?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite person?
Yeah. Look! A dinosaur!
Eric. Eric. Hey, Paco. Who do you love?
I love my dad.
You love your daddy?
I'm in the hamburger.
Where'd you go?
Under the table with that bunker. Oh.
Bonk.
Okay.
Mocha's hiding. Mocha's hiding in Andy's lap. Did you bonk your head again? Do you need to go potty?
No.
Tell me.
Not the one that has dinosaur.
And the dinosaurs?
No, the T-Rex.
Eric, do you want to marry me?
Yeah, I want to marry you.
You're going to marry Andy?
Yeah, I want to marry Auntie.
Is she your girlfriend?
No.
Who's your girlfriend?
Lassie.
Who?
Bassy?
Lassie.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Lassie.
Bass.
Lassie.
Basty?
Lassie.
Bassy?
Lassie. I said Lassie.
Basty?
No, Lassie, get on there. I'm not there. I'm the house.
Come here.
It's only right here.
Come here. Count. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's not 10.
Then what?
That's
5.
6.
Okay. 7.
7,
8.
8,
9.
9,
10. Do your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's Kanye, Hannibal, P. Do R, S, do B, B. Double O, F, M, C.
Now I know my
A, B, C,
next time.
9.
Won't you sing with me? Yay!
I'm on C.
You want to see?